hear it. Hear the storm. Wish some nice, sweet, super wet hug was here keeping me warm. Arms wrapped around me. Last time I was recording a video in the dark, Omar and I were blessing our lucky stars that kind, foreign, gives Mexican, I don't know, probably, whatever, Hispanic, whatever, hotel guy had broken the rules and let us stay in this very cheap, dingy hotel. He was definitely breaking the rules. I could hear right outside the windows on the first floor. I have those videos. I'll take them off of private at some point. I put all my videos in private. Omar and I didn't even leave the hotel. And we wasn't supposed to be there anyway, and I just lived off of I left it at one point to buy like a 7-Up or something. And I had water and a thing for Omar, and I had dog food for him that kind pet store had given me for free when I bought Omar a new and better leash. And we were in that dingy hotel, terrified on the first floor, didn't make noise, didn't want to do anything because it's frightening, you know. This is the kind of place that they break in and women wind up murdered and raped and whatnot. And I was grateful because it was out of the streets, you know. And Omar and I were safe in there only because that guy was nice. He didn't have to be nice. Dogs were not allowed. But he was. He felt bad for me. I told him briefly my sob story and he felt bad for me. I believe no talk show in all this time has been interested in my quote-unquote story. So I made myself famous out on YouTube, since I was never able to get myself famous in real life. 250,000 hits almost. That's kind of cool. It's better than nothing. It's better than what my family and people around me wanted me just to be negated, just to accept that I am nothing, will never be anything, you know. At least I have, you know, I have people complimenting me. I have reached out to people, and by the way, I don't care about all my enemies that I've made. I only care about the friends. I care about the people who I've touched, who my videos have touched, who have reached out to me, given me, comforted me, and told me I wasn't alone, and told me, you know, I understand, and I see what you're going through, and I feel your pain, and I love it, you know, even when the guys call me hot and beautiful and want to fuck me and whatnot, because my feelings supposed to be Donald and hold on to me. Fight. I just don't want to be nothing. I don't want to be what my aunt with cancer, you know, sister, my mom's gushing about, oh, they were talking about how their kids are older and, you know, can't believe how old their kids are. And my mom goes, you know, foot in her mouth, I guess. Apparently she goes, oh yeah, Lora, you know, Lora's still a young girl, I'm out with cancer. I'd hardly call her a young girl. She's hardly a young girl. She's a middle-aged woman. Well, guess what, baby? I don't want to just be that and just be negated and just accept what you guys deem me, you know, people around me deem me worthy of being. When not, I'm doing dating websites now, free ones, and I have not too shabby men, even young hot ones, calling me sexy and beautiful, etc., and praising me and whatnot. So it's not just my aunt with cancer, though. She's hardly a young girl. She's a middle-aged woman. Yeah, whatever. What? Fight and now I want to experience life in all its various forms, including and especially the sexual